But YouTuber Mark Bow contacted me, and when he seen the 69 Nordic video, and he said, I've got something you've got to have. And we got chatting back and forth, and so we're here to pick it up. So come on, let's check it out. Look at this little girl. It's about a 1970, 72 is what I can find. It's a Mark I SkiBoose. But you know what we say on Mudbrats? It's all there. It's going to be awesome.
Let's get a build breakdown on this thing.
This will be a gem.
We're going to need it
behind the. Oh, this is going to be a gem behind the 69 Nordic, the battle wagon. It's going to be awesome. Thank you so much, Mark. This is great. It's going to do the trick. Let's dump it out.
Oh! Is this important for the operation?
Possibly.
Possibly. That's cool.
Man, it's got the seat in it and everything. Check that out.
It's clean.
Oh, this is dynamite.
Oh, come on.
Look at this old shit handles.
Bro, can we get an attachment for the 600 E-Tech? On the broken bumper, because it don't matter?
Awesome. It's just awesome. I'm gonna sit in it. Let's try this thing out. Oh yeah! Hang on. I can see Dino sitting in the back of this. This is awesome. We'll get that out this week if it is.
Oh, that'd be sick.
That's great.
Now I can easily put my hockey bag in that and go to hockey in the 69 Nordic.
That's awesome.
Holy crap, that's in great shape. Even the stickers, you don't even have to spend the time redoing.
No, I'd leave it the way it is. It looks like it's been repainted.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's the wrong orange.
Oh well.
But you know what? I'd leave it the way it is.
Is that supposed to be black?
No, I think it was all yellow, even the bottom can. I can't believe the seat's in it.
Did it clip off in any way? Oh,
Yeah, it does. It snaps off. Because you can actually take the top off and use it as an ice fishing buggy.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Look at the oh shit. It's like covered in hockey tape.
I don't know if those are factory or not. I know it had this. Yeah, I know. I think those are add-ons. Oh yeah, buddy, we got to get out this weekend. Well, what's on the front?
It's a hitch, right?
It's a clamp. We can clamp that to any bumper.
What?
I think. Can it? Oh no, that would actually go in my hitch. So I actually got the hitch for the 69 Nordic from a guy. He actually, the person I got the Nordic off of had two snowmobiles. He had an Indy 600, I think it was, XLT, extra lettuce and tomato. And he had the Nordic, and he had the actual hitch on the Indy. Yeah, carbide's still good on it. Well, that's the thing, the skis are great on this. Well, they're not carbides, they're steel runners. But... Wow.
Yeah,
wow,
you can see,
wow.
Look at that. That's not, these are not factory.
No, they're not. But that's all right, though. That's great. I'll take them. Here, flip it down. Get back in. I'm going to take a picture and send it to Dino. It fits in the back of the Ram. It was meant to be. It would never fit in the Honda Ridgeline.
It probably would.
This is awesome. Probably fit better in the Honda Ridgeline. That is awesome.
Fitment game strong.
That's wild. That's probably too close. Thanks, Mark Bow.
This is awesome.